Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing how to create HTML sitemap for Blogger blog. An HTML sitemap page for a Blogger blog is a web page that provides an organized list of all the posts and labels on your blog. This page can be useful for both readers and search engines, as it makes it easier for them to navigate and discover content on your blog. I will provide you HTML code for this sitemap page. You have to copy it and paste in your page. But you have to do some changes in it so that it can be connected to your blog. That's why do not skip any part of the video. So without any delay, let's begin. To do this, log into your Blogger account by opening your web browser. Click blogger.com. Navigate to your Blogger dashboard. Click on Pages from the left-hand menu. Then, click on the New Page button. Give your page a title, such as Sitemap or Site Index. Click on Edit button and then HTML View. Remove this coding. Now open Notepad and copy this HTML code for sitemap page. Select it all and copy this HTML code. You can download this code from the link given in description of this video. Paste this code in your page in processing. Now you have to replace this URL of my blog with your own blog. Otherwise your page will not show your posts. So copy the URL of your blog. Replace it here, carefully select from HTTPS to /. Once you are done, click on Publish. Then Confirm. Now to view it, open in a new tab. As it is a new demo blog, it doesn't have any post or label to show in Sitemap. At the end of the video I will show you sitemap of my other blog, how it will show labels and posts. Now I will show you how you can add your sitemap page in header and footer of your blog. Again, go to Blogger dashboard. Navigate to the Layout section. Edit the top navigation section. Scroll down and press Add New Item. Name the page you want to add. Copy the URL of the page and paste in Site URL section. Click Save. Then again press Save to update changes. Do the same for adding in footer menu. Edit the menu footer widget. Add a new item. Name it. Paste the URL of your page. Now press Save. Then again press Save to update changes. Refresh the preview of the blog to see changes you have made. That's it, sitemap page is added in header and footer menu of the blog. Now I will show you how labels and posts will be shown in sitemap page. So I will open my blog. Then click on Sitemap in the header menu. That's the sitemap of my blog. These black headings are my labels. Text written in red color are my posts. If anyone wants to read any post, he will find it easily, will simply click on it and read it. It's a good idea to link to your sitemap page from your blog's homepage or menu, so that readers and search engines can easily find it. If you haven't yet subscribed, Do smash a subscribe button so that you can follow our Blogger series. We'll see you another video. Thanks for watching.